Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Still a Brainrot Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Discord. And then from here, once you've opened up Discord, on the left hand side we've got different tabs. We need to click on the Discover tab. And now where it says search on the top right hand corner, type in Still a Brainrot and hit enter. From here, click on the second option where it says Still a Brainrot. It's got over 17,000 online users and over 120,000 members. So click into that. Then it'll say welcome to Still a Brainrot trading. And at the top of it says you are currently in preview mode. Join the server to start chatting. So go ahead and click on join Still a Brainrot. And you'll come to a page that will say let's customize. So choose your important pings. I'm just going to skip this. Yep. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click finish. And now once you've joined, you might get a message that's saying don't miss out, claim surprises in your gift inventory when you have Nitro. You can check that out as well. And on the left hand side, you can see all the different channels inside of Still a Brainrot Discord server.